Hi, I'm Katie. I'm going to be demonstrating an I Dream of Jeannie inspired hairstyle today for you. So what we're going to do is section off the top section of our hair, so right behind the ears all the way up to the crown. And when you've got that, twist it and pin it up out of the way so we can work on the bottom half. Now I'm going to brush the bottom half upwards towards the top, so invert your head, and section it into 2 even sections. Clip them so one doesn't get tangled in with the other, and wet just the base of your hair right here to catch any flyaways and make sure they stay with your braid. I'm going to be braiding over to create this as a French braid rather than under. When you do a Dutch braid right here, it's a lot more edgy, it stands out, and I'd like to make this more I Dream of Jeannie style, and she did a lot more softer things. A lot more pinks rather than fuchsia, that type of thing. So a French braid tends to look a little bit more soft and romantic. This can be quite difficult to master on yourself. It's a lot easier to do this on somebody else. Not only is the blood rushing to your head a little bit, you're also trying to braid against the natural direction of your hair, and you're unable to see what you're doing. My biggest trick to making sure that you get this looking really nice is to take as small of pieces as you possibly can. That'll give you the detail that you want. Also, hold your braid up tight towards your head rather than further away. Go down most of the hair and tie off. Do the exact same thing on the other side, and then tie off evenly so both strands are even. Now it's time to handle the top section of your hair, and we're going to sweep this up into a very high ponytail, as high up as you want pretty much. Gather your braids into the ponytail as well, and tie everything together with a large elastic. I'm taking my fingers and backcombing right here very gently, not holding my hair tightly so it just falls into place. That'll make sure I'm not damaging my hair, but I'm still adding volume to this bun. You can also use a bun maker, but this is the easiest for me. I'm just twisting all that hair into a bun and leaving the braids coming out of the center, and that is pretty much it. If you'd like more height to your braids, you can add a clip hidden within here to prop them up from behind, and that'll help. This hairstyle is so fun and playful. You can see how I Dream of Jeannie's little hat piece that she wore is imitated by the bun, and the braids are her ponytail. While the soft bun can work for both cabaret and tribal, all you have to do is change up your accessories. The bling here that I'm wearing, we're cabaret and ready to go. All I have to do is change those out and it's tribal. If you enjoyed this hairstyle, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.